With the constant firmware updates, Android smartphones are now capable of performing various tasks including wired and wireless file sharing functions. This makes your smartphone files accessible and manageable through any other compatible devices and platforms. In this tutorial video, I will walk you through sharing audio files using any of the available file sharing tools on the Google Pixel 7 smartphone. But before we move on, please like and share this video so that it will reach other viewers who might be needing this guide. Now let's get back to our topic. To get started, open the Android File Manager on your Google Pixel smartphone. Simply swipe up from the home screen to launch the app straight and tap on the Files app icon. While in the Files app main screen, navigate to the bottom section and then tap on Browse tab. Doing so will let you view all available folders and system directories where you can browse files through. Find and select audio from the given categories. Simply tap Audio to access the audio directory that stores all audio files for alarms, notifications, and ringtones. To continue, locate and select the audio file that you'd like to share and then tap on the three dots located right next to it. Doing so opens a side menu with a list of options. Alternatively, you can open the file itself and then tap the share icon at the bottom part of the screen. This will also take you to the same menu with all available file sharing options. Tap Share from the given sub-menu items to proceed. The file sharing menu will load up next. Here, you will see different file sharing methods that you can use including Nearby Share, Messages, WhatsApp, Messenger Chats, Gmail, and any other file sharing apps installed on the phone. Available file sharing methods may vary between device models. To continue, tap to select your preferred file sharing method. The next steps would vary depending on the file sharing method you've selected. Just follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to complete the file sharing process using the selected method. Should you wish to share another audio file, just repeat the same steps to return to the Files app's audio directory and then locate the next audio file that you'd like to share. The receiving device must support the selected file sharing method in order for the file transfer to be successful. File sharing requirements such as internet connection, proximity, and others must also be met by both devices. And that's it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon should you wish to get notifications on the next tutorials and troubleshooting guides we publish. Thank you for watching.